whole. So it was really not a strong argument for this woman to say how she was getting ripped off because she wasn't measuring it with the whole pie itself, because that would have been better to do, because she was just doing it by the diameter. That's like saying this strip of pizza and this strip of pizza, it's not fair because this is one of these and another half of this for just this whole entire strip of pizza. And that would be really, really, really wrong, because you're actually getting a lot more pizza with the larger pizza, because it's not just double the pizza, because instead of using the whole entire pizza, she just used the diameter instead of the area. Yes, actually.
Can I add to that? Sure. Okay. We had a person in our group, I'm not going to name it though, okay, well, Joshua, he very strongly believed that Isabella was right because he used common sense.
Yeah.
And said that the reason it's big, the larger picture is bigger, well, wait, no. He said if you get 2 of the littler pizzas, that you'd have 24 inches of pizza rather than the 18 inches of pizza.
Okay.
That is
And
using the diameter.
How I justified this was when we first did area of 2 shapes, and they combined the shapes into like a square and a rectangle beside each other. You found the area of the square first, or you didn't have to, but you find the area of each, and then you add them together instead of doing like the bottom and the top, and then finding out the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay, that's how you did it.
I'm going to remind everybody this is a real world problem, and you're not going to go into a pizza shop and they're not going to give you a line of pizza.
Unless you get a square pizza.
Yeah.
And like
They measure the pizza by the diameter, but what you're getting is the area of the pizza. That's
When you
how
take a
much
bite, you're biting an area, correct? Or actually volume, but go ahead, Kat.
I took it 258 because our group got 2.
I think that is a 4. I think that is a 4.
Hey, that's beautiful handwriting.
Okay, that is a good job. Thank you. I think we kind of brought some ideas together with that one. Now, what I would like to have someone come and do now, and I think this is going to be Brianna, Lizzie, I think your group has an idea that you revised while I was there about the cost per square inch.
We changed that. Is that
Yeah.
There's
Just, you can hit this for a blank page.
$20.
Okay? They're ready?
Okay, so what we did was we put 12 inches, which is the diameter of the smaller pizza over $10 because that surprised. And we did like what we did in 6th grade. We did the is over of kind of thing. And this we're finding the unit rate of 1 inch. From that we did 10 times 1, which would equal 10. And 12 times nothing would equal,
Well, really it's 12 times.
well, 12 eggs. And then, and then we did, one thing.
Since you're doing cross products, did you mean for that to be an equal sign right there?
Yeah.
Since you're doing, okay.
Equals 12.
Yeah,
I did that wrong.
what we did was, we did do this last time, but we said 12 divided by 12 is 1, so then 10 divided by 12 would be the unit rate right here, and we got 0.83, so it would be 83 cents for every inch.
That's why.
Let them finish.
We at first had $1.20 per square inch, but
I figured out we did that wrong.
yeah, we
Okay, so you got stuck right there. Okay, so maybe someone has a suggestion?
Wait, suggestion for one they got it wrong?
Well, they did a proportion. They established a proportional relationship, but something doesn't look right.
If we ran just, 8.
Kat suggested.
Maybe she didn't round right, because me and Jack Riley had a little discussion thing about it, because I was doing mine backwards,
Mhm.
and at first I got that, and I said 83, and then he said, no, because there's a 0 after the decimal, and I was like, okay, well, maybe we should tell that 0 to go up to 1, and now, then I would make it 10 cents, and so then he said that it should be 8 cents. And so
Okay.
I think that's how they got that. They didn't round it.
Okay. More contribution? Uh-huh.
So, if you're saying 83 cents per inch, if you go all the way back up to its area, to its normal area, you will be paying $93.79
Yeah.
instead of $10.
Yes, so maybe it should be 8.
So what do you think is wrong? Because their math is correct. If this is proportional, 12 inches has a relationship with $10. A 12-inch pizza is $10. Then 1 inch of that pizza is 83 cents. So their calculations are right. What's wrong?
Multiply
I did it
83
wrong.
times 12 and find out.
That's what they did.
I think we need
way
to put
off.
the area here, because this is diameter.
Okay.
Area.
Okay, I think Brianna just figured out something pretty important. What are you actually paying for?
The area.
The area that you're going to eat. That was several people did that and then moved on. Some people. Well, just a minute. Let's let them get this straight.
It's 113.
Yeah, that's right.
And now that 113, is that inches, square inches? What is that 113?
That's the area.
So is that important that we label it inches or square inches?
Square inches.
So
It'd be 0.8.
So now will this be for 1 square inch or just 1 inch? Yes. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to let you be seated. I know that some of you have more comments, but I want to make sure that everything is closed out and we have the right idea here.
So it's 88 square inches.
That is right.
$88,000.
This is correct. So what would make sense here? Just a minute, Savannah. What would make sense here? So the smaller pizza is 9 cents per inch or per bite if each little 1 inch square is a bite. What would be, how would we find the price per square inch of the larger one?
Do the same thing, just with that area.
All right, I will wait until you guys are ready to finish the lesson because you are completely doing your own thing and that's not working for me. We're going to finish this task. Right now we're going to finish this task. Okay. So the smaller pie was how much per square inch?
0.089.
So we could round that to how much? 9 cents per inch. This would be for the smaller one. The larger one would be how much?
The same thing. Hold on, calculator.
Did we find the price for the larger one?
It was for the large one. It was per
inch, it was 8 cents.
So this one was 8 cents?
No, it would be that.
No, it'll be,
Because you do, you're asking for the price.
I got like. I don't think that's right.
I got $1.20.
No, you did it wrong. Flip the numbers.
These calculations are correct.
I got it.
The small pizza is 9 cents per square inch, the large pizza 8 cents per square inch.
Yeah, because it's, 254.34 over $20.
Attaching your labels to those rates is going to make that happen for you. Yes.
But it says that if the larger pizza costs the same amount.
And that's the next question. So it said if we change the price now and make the larger pizza this price, how much would the large pizza cost?
$22 and.
Because you get, our group was confused because they said, but that's more than the original price, but I said.
It is.
Yes, when you're in the same operation, because if what y'all say, 8 cents per square inch?
Yes.
If you're doing 8 cents more times than the smaller pizza, you're going to probably get more than your original price because you're using the same.
You're increasing the unit rate, right?
Right.
And we had lots of units. So it's going to be $22, $23, right?
23 if you rounded it to 100.
So the bottom line, did this guy offer a good price for the large pizza? Was it a better buy if you wanted more pizza?
Yes.
Do you think anyone takes the time to do this in real life?
No, they just say we want food.
I think they measure by the diameter.
Or that. They just like, well, this one's
And maybe they don't understand? Yes, and please put your things away, your calculators, if you've used the Mathemats.
I put my calculator.